focused a lot over the last 4 years on improving the health insurance space in Colorado and really making it so that folks have access to healthcare and affordable healthcare.
I think access and accessing affirming healthcare is huge. We know that for LGBTQ Coloradans, the wait list to get into highly trained and affirming providers is incredibly long.
Policy is a very important tool in ensuring that Coloradans have access to the health coverage that they need and they deserve. The benchmark plan in particular is a really important policy tool because it lays out the foundation of the minimum services that an insurance product must cover in order to be compliantly selling insurance in the state of Colorado.
When Chiquita Brooks-LaSure, the administrator from CMS, came out to make the announcement that our new benchmark plan had been approved, and in large part she came out because of the gender-affirming care component in the benchmark plan. We were the first state in the nation to do it. We were the first state in the nation to do it in large part because of One Colorado and folks at the division like Kate Harris and Care Achievers.
Working alongside One Colorado, we were able to use the Closing the Gap data to tell a story of the need and the scope and the cost and the breadth of impact. And that was really the first step we took to make sure that these additions would be really positive and impactful for all the community members.
This benchmark is going to be life-changing for so many trans and non-binary Coloradans. For our Department of Insurance to say, like, you have the right to live your authentic self and your insurance is going to cover it because we believe you and we know that this is medically necessary is a huge impact.
If it's a one-off conversation, sometimes when you're least expecting it, when you're at a cocktail party or you're out having a drink with friends and somebody walks up to you because they recognize you and they know what is coming, because it starts in 2023. And it's those moments, those really special moments when somebody comes up and they tell you exactly what it meant to them and what it means to them. That's awesome.
You don't have to have lived experience to know why something matters and to know why someone matters. And I think that is the exact energy and ethos of Commissioner Conway. This is just the beginning, and this is one very small part of the world in which he touches every day in his role.
I would describe Commissioner Conway as a person as extremely kind, very empathetic. Those qualities are very much how he also is as a leader. It's evident that he cares deeply about his staff, deeply about the community around him, and the Coloradans that we work for.
The things that we've been able to get done at the Capitol, the regulations that we've been able to put in place in order to help people, in order to help the community, really 9 times out of 10 probably come from the community themselves, at least in some way.
You have to make an intentional step to include community, and not just in your hiring practices, but when making decisions like this, reaching out to community, bringing community voices in so folks can share our lived experience of what we know it's like to navigate the system, of what we know it's like to have our lives saved by gender-affirming care.
Seeing Commissioner Conway honored with this award means a lot. I think because so much of the work that he does goes unseen. One of the things that makes him really exceptional as a leader and as a boss is how hard he works and how tirelessly he works to make lives better for Coloradans.
I think what drives me to come to work every day is because of how much I care about people, and how much, and that's twofold, right? It's twofold about the people of Colorado that we're fighting for and that we're trying to make change for. But it's also because of the people within the Division of Insurance. We have this good core group of people that just care an immense amount about the people of Colorado, and it's inspiring. It makes coming to work something special, because you know that the people that you're working with really, really, truly care.